Good spring day from Bulgaria, guys. You can see I'm under this huge bridge, and we are here today to capture it with the DJI Matrice 4E drone. So we'll do a very nice survey, capture thousands of RTK georeferenced images, and stitch all this into a 3D model. So let's get started. This 400-meter long and 60-meter high bridge in Bulgaria is one of the most important transport arteries between large Bulgarian cities, and it is also the connection from Romania to the Bulgarian seaside. The last renovation was conducted 10 years ago in 2016. However, when we deployed the drone and saw the under parts of the bridge, we could see that many damages had been formed. So that's why we decided to capture it in great detail. On the screen now, you can see the flight path and how the drone captures images. I have put together a much more detailed tutorial on exactly how to capture a bridge and get a very accurate 3D model after that. And I will link it in the description. So if you're interested in that, just click and watch. Okay, so we just captured this entire bridge here in the Bulgarian countryside. So here's the Matrice 4E. Let's get home and upload all the data and see the final 3D model.